Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the requirement. Make sure your phone supports Esim and is unlocked. Once confirmed, gather your ID, payment card, and a working email. These speed verification. Next, decide. Buy directly from a U.S. carrier for local plans or pick a reputable Esim vendor for flexibility. Start the purchase on the carrier or provider site. Enter account details, select a plan, and complete payment. This first step gets you the activation code or QR you need next. Once you have the QR or SMDP Plus details, open Settings and choose Add Cellular Plan. Then scan the QR or type the SMDP Plus and activation code. Make sure you label the profile so you can distinguish plans later, and choose data only versus voice plus data depending on your plan. After installation, set the Esim as primary or secondary for data use. Finally, toggle data roaming if required by the plan. This prevents connectivity gaps during activation, and first, you finalize by testing data speed, placing a short call, and sending an SMS to confirm service. If any fails, reboot the device first. If activation still fails, remove the plan and rescan the QR or re-enter SMDP Plus and activation code. Sometimes a repeat triggers provisioning. If problems persist, contact the provider with your IMEI, activation code, and order ID so they can push provisioning. One key troubleshooting tip: always check device time/settings and network selection before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.